Hey everybody, how you doing today? Well, we're in the SK Modified at Southern National Motorsports Park in North Carolina. It's a 4/10 of a mile track, very similar to Concord Speedway. This is what I call a rhythm track. You can really get into a rhythm here. Hard acceleration, hard braking through the corners. I kind of like it. I've run here a couple times last season in the Tour Mod and I believe the SK. I kind of like this track. I don't have a win here yet, but it kind of suits my style of driving just a little bit here. Starting third place in the number 2 car here today. I had a pretty good qualifying lap. Got a couple of really good guys up ahead of me. We'll see how the day goes. When I was checking out the competition, we have a very wide range here. We have a couple guys with very high IRs and a bunch of guys that have low IRs. New guys, virus racers. Here we go, green flag. Sending it off into turn 1. I got the 9 right up alongside of me here, but I'm going to get him going down the backstretch. Maintain my third position on lap 1. Ooh, 12's into the wall. Second place car, then him and the leader get together. He's into the wall again on the backstretch. And believe it or not, so is number 9 behind me. And going into 3, I take second place.
Stay high, 13.886.
As mentioned before, the SK is an enduro style racing. There are no cautions. This will be 50 laps. A lot of accident avoidance will be going on here today. And just like in my last video, you'll notice some of the cars changing colors. That's because I recorded the main race on one day, the in-car, and then the other views I recorded the next day, and apparently guys had changed their trading paint schemes. And we're coming up on lap traffic, somebody in the wall here.
13.801, side, still inside.
And the 12 is going to make it 3 wide. The third place car, try to get his second back. He backs off, then he tries again. I brush the wall and down the front straight into turn 1. He's going to reclaim second place. That's okay. Well, I think he kind of pressed the issue there, but you know what? I backed out. He can have it. I'll take third for right now. Got a long ways to go here.
208.
Leader's just ahead by about 2 seconds now. We're getting into lap traffic already here on lap number 8.
Inside, 14.
There's number 9 having more issues. I guess he's number 5. Another white car. Right now I'm not being pressed too hard. Oh, and the leader spins by himself coming out of 4. That gives 12 the lead, and I'm in second. We've got the number 1 car right behind me. And seeing the rearview mirror there. Wow. That was an incredible chain of events there. 7 cars, a lap car. Oh no, there's the 9, and there's the leader still gathering it up. Ooh, that was close. That was close. 7's a lap car. Get by him. 12's working lap traffic as the leader. I am in second place.
Lap cars in front of you.
And right on my tail is the number 1 car in third place. Heavy lap traffic for only 12 laps in.
1 outside, clear.
Now, number 1 third place cars really come up here as we're working this lap traffic. He's right on my bumper. You know, this race has a long way to go. I could be the leader before too long if the leader now, number 12, gets caught up in some lap traffic. He's quite a bit faster and smoother than me, so if he gets away, I think chances of catching up to him are thin. Ooh, get a little squirrely off of 4 there. You got to be real careful with that in turn 4 here. And if you touch that curbing either in either set of the corners, you're coming around. Just like that car right there, he just got a little squirrely. I backed off a little bit just in case he spun. Yeah, the leader's got some clean racetrack ahead of him there. He's pulling away, slow but sure. And I'm doing the same on a smaller scale with the third place car behind me, the number 1 car. So right now I'm feeling pretty comfortable. Just got to negotiate this lap traffic.
Still outside. Clear. 14.118. Front of you against the wall. Slowing up to the top. Stay low.
Ooh, number 9. Wow, holy smokes. Did you see that? Look at that. Come right down in front of me. I don't know how I missed him. It was just perfect. I'm glad he kept up his momentum into the wall there. Wow. That was a T-bone job that didn't happen. There's number 9 again. He's got it going in the right direction. Let's get around this guy. I want him behind me.
I got him, man. I told him. They're hollering at him. 14.39.
Well, with all that right there, the third place number 1 car is hanging, but he's in the wall. He's in the wall now. He was negotiating the 9, got in a little hot, hit the wall hard. Wow, he's still going. He dropped way back though. I've got about a straightaway on him now. So the leader's got about a straightaway on me, and I've got a straightaway on third place now. I'm safely in second. Just coming up on halfway point here pretty soon. Okay, smooth and easy, negotiate the corners and watch out for the lappers and the wreckers. You can see that the field has really strung out. I got this lapper working me kind of hard, but I'm going to get him here easily in 1 and 2. Third place car number 1 has gathered it up a little bit and made just a little time on me, but I'm not concerned. He's almost 3 seconds behind me, and the leader is about 4 seconds ahead of me. So I'm safely in the rocking chair here between 1 and 3.
14.032.
Got to get into a rhythm here. Just over halfway. Long ways to go. Long ways to go. Tire wear on the SKs are not too bad. You will feel it. You'll slow down a little bit, but not here too bad at Southern National. You can see here in the in-car shots, you get into a rhythm. But once you get out of that rhythm, sometimes it can be kind of hard to get back into it. Got a little squirrely off 4 there again. 1 and 2 seems to be my stronger sets of corners at this track compared to 3 and 4 here. Well, things have settled down just a little bit here. Stay in the rhythm, stay in the zone. I'm not making any time on the leader, but I have increased the distance just a little bit to third. We've had several drop out now. I think this was a field of 13, maybe 15.
14.186.
Leader's 4.5 seconds ahead of me. Third place is about 4 seconds behind me. Stay smooth and easy. Avoid the wrecks and the spinners. Negotiate the lap. The lap traffic has been doing a pretty good job of getting out of the way, so just negotiate all those items, and I've got a second place podium finish. And this is the first time I have raced here this week at Southern National, so this is my very first race here this season this week. Qualified third, running second. Coming up on 10 to go in about 4 laps here.
14.0.
You just need to keep it together. This lap car ahead of me is making some pretty good lap times. Oop, I got a little squirrely again there off 4. I got to be careful with that. I need to come in a little higher, I think, on that corner. But I'm not going to press the issue too hard on this lap car ahead of me. Oop, got a spinner on the front stretch. He punched out, we're okay. I've kind of backed off just a little bit here. I'm just kind of in cruise mode. I don't want to make this lap car number 8 ahead of me nervous and have him do anything that might take us both out. I'm firmly in second place right now. If I get to him and he lets me by, I'm going to take it, but right now I'm in cruise mode, just cracking off the laps. Let's get to the end of this and take a second place finish. Under 10 to go. I've got 4.2 seconds on third place. There's no pressure from behind. And while it's not my intention just cruising, I am gaining on the 8, so I am going to have to make a pass on him. He won't let me do it in 3 and 4, but I'll get him going down the front straight here and take him in 1 and 2. He's running hard, I understand that. He wants to catch up to the next guy, but you know what? I'm second place. Let me by. Number 9 has more issues. Negotiated that third time with number 9. Number 9. Wow. Five to go. Smooth and easy, Dave, and you've got a second place finish. This will be a good points run if I can finish in second. Leader has checked out well over 5 seconds ahead of me. Third place is just a little over 4 seconds behind me. About 16 more corners. Now even less than that now. 2 laps to go next time around. Nobody behind me, nobody ahead of me. No more lap traffic to negotiate.
0.098. He knows you're coming. Faster, man. White flag.
Here we come. White flag. One more time around. The Craftsman Fury number 2 performed pretty darn good today. I avoided 3 biggies. Gonna bring it home in second. All right, hot damn. I will take that. That was a lot of fun. That really was a lot of fun. I kind of like these rhythm tracks.
Good job, bro. Good hard fight.
All right, good fireworks. I know that's for the winner, but I'll take those fireworks celebrations in second place myself. All right, guys. Hey, thanks a lot for coming along with the ride. I mean, that was a lot of fun. Hey, we'll see you next time.